What's going on, guys? And today I have an announcement to make. I just got delivered something, but I have to go and get it. So guys, I'll be right. Wait, that's charging. It's charging. No, it's not. Let me just lean it over more over that way. So I have to go get something. So let me just, even though it does that, I will be right back. Won't be long, I promise. I've got it, guys. I got it. Oh, it just cut me. Ow. But guys, I cannot stress to you how heavy this is. But look, PlayStation 4 got delivered. That's so heavy. And here's a look at the side. This is that. And the back. And then the bottom. And it's pretty cool. It's just like an Xbox. It's got like the little logo here. But the cool thing about this is I'm actually going to hook it up. So yeah, let's go hook it up. Okay, I am ready. I'm ready. Okay. Sorry if that's just my dog. So get out of the camera. Don't worry, guys, this isn't just to connect it. I'm gonna show you how to connect it. So I'm just gonna place it here because my HDMI cable isn't that really long, so yeah, let me just get it. Like, I think I'm gonna die if I do this, but I'm gonna do it. Reach to my box here. So that is HDMI cable. I try to watch movies sometimes, but I can't just because I hooked it up here once. And guys, if you have speakers like I do, dog, can you get out of the way? Guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put him outside. He's out, so if you have speakers like I do, that's just my other pup. Come here. Oh, you're on the couch. You want down? Yeah, you want down. Okay, come here. Ooh. Look at her! So cute! Yeah! Come on, I'll let you go. If you have speakers, you're gonna need a certain controller. You're gonna need this. So I'm just gonna hook my speakers up. And then I can charge the cam too. So yeah, now I got this. And just turn it on. Then what you want to do, when you turn it on, you want to press input to HDMI 2. So now we know it's going to work. Now, for the PlayStation. But I hope there's like a power cable cord, just so that, because you need one if you're gonna play on a PlayStation. Oh, I don't want to knock a picture down. Let me just bring it down here and just. Okay, so guys, I know I'm out of the camera, but let me just move the PlayStation a bit. And is that where it goes? Or is that where the camera is? Okay, so here's where this goes into. That goes into there. There. Oh, the camera's moved. I'll move it to here. In the view of a slipper. Out of here. So now you see that black lump on my stool. That's the PlayStation. But I might have to go back to my downstairs just to get the power cord. But let me just see and make sure there's one. Okay, I might have to go get one, so guys, I will be right back. I'm back, guys. And now, I'll just put the slipper view that was in. I got the power cord, and you'll know because it has this thing. This thing with the two holes. So yeah, now that when I plug this in, it should work. Power cord. Now I should be able to turn it on. That's because this isn't plugged in. What an idiot. Okay, now I hate doing it. I might get electrocuted. That's why I'm just going to do it. Now it's in. There! So guys, if you enjoyed that how to hook up, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!